Teaching is not just a career, it is just a passion. With passion, everything will be an adventurous and exciting experience. Regardless of what is offered to me, I will challenge myself to seek more knowledge and develop new skills because I see it as an opportunity. For instance, my mother was a Bahasa Melayu subject teacher before she taught early childhood education. Growing up and watching her teaching journey has inspired me even until today. She has proven to me that nothing is impossible and through hardship there will be success. Deciding to become a teacher is not easy, but I love children. As life becomes more challenging, young learners tend to be left behind without proper education and attention. Hence, I decided to become a teacher to create a better generation. If teaching is not in my future, I shall further my study by doing a double degree in sports science of psychology. As a teachers training institute graduate, I was given a lot of exposure ranging from the learning basics about theories related to children to undergoing school-based experience to gain insight from teachers in different schools. I will keep on improving my teaching skill once I get my posting, regardless of the subject I'm asked to teach, because I believe what is more important is to capture the pupil interest so that they will love and enjoy my lessons. If one is passionate about teaching, one can teach any subject. Even though I'm in the teaching English as a second language program, I'm also exposed to minor and elective subjects such as physical education, Bahasa Melayu, mathematics, and art. We need more teachers to fill the vacant position. I am on a government scholarship to study TSL at IPG Kampung Campus Bahasa Antarabangsa Kuala Lumpur, and I am confident of getting a placement immediately upon graduation. My curriculum vitae is strong and our country is in the recovery phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. If I do not get my chosen subject posting, I will still take what I'm offered as education is a lifelong journey. We studied 10 to 11 subjects when we were in school and still excel. If we could achieve that back then, it is very possible for us to keep learning and mastering new skills. I believe the education ministry will prioritize graduates with degrees in education, especially IPG graduate, and focus on the candidates who have the best potential. According to Education Minister Dr. Raji Jidin, they need more than 18,000 new teachers to overcome the shortage of educators nationwide. So there are high chances of getting posting after graduation. By doing so, it will help to reduce the burden of current teacher and improve the quality of teaching. If I do not get a posting through, I'll probably give private tutoring or be an online English as a second language instructor. The IPG expert lecturer have prepared us well, teaching us the concept, abilities, and techniques essential to the teaching profession. We were exposed to the foundation of education philosophy, and subject pertaining to the Malaysian education system throughout our study. The reason I want to become a teacher is that I'm passionate about it. No other occupation can compare to the joy of witnessing the development of young children. So I will still take a posting even if it not my chosen subject option English language. How I teach is more important than what I teach. I'm assigned to another subject. I will prepare and learn from experienced teachers. Alright.